Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss full analysis of court recognition status of the Section and Section B examination of II recognized by MHRD. In this video, you will know how many judge has been changed. You may see here the 10 judge has been changed. Apology, uh, Pratik Jalan and Justice Jannath and Rajiv, and next is the Jayantnath and Rajiv Saxena and Anu Malhotra and Siddharth Mridul, and there are many more, and Justice Rekha Pali and Justice Indermeet Kaur, Honorable Judge Justice Dharmeni has been changed. Here are Justice A.K. Pathak and Sanjeev Sachdeva. There are many judge has changed with each and every hearing. If you will see here, there Justice Rajiv Sakhwers and other is there are many times judge has changed. So in this video you will get a full analysis from the case 2013 to 2021 current of 9th April with the hearing. Okay, keep it till last video, you will get a better information. And next I want to say here, the last 2 year means from 2013 to 2015 there was no judge. All work from the registrar of the high court. Registrar of the high court, they work on the counter affidavit. Here are the evidence I am seeing you from 2013. Firstly, when the court case started, then judge listen first time. In this way, in 2013, the judge listened Honorable G.S. Sistan. In the first hearing, the court directed OM Office Memorandum of the MHRD the stay Remain stay till the next date of further admission and made to subject to final order which may passed in the writ petition. So in this way the MHRD order has been challenged from the first hearing. After that 10 times a hearing done but could only by the registrar. There here I am counting you. The first and second hearing was by registrar. The second hearing was by, you will see here, second by registrar, and third hearing by registrar, and fourth hearing, you will see the fourth hearing by registrar, fifth hearing by registrar. There is no any judge was in that time. This is official details. You may check original detail from the Delhi High Court side done from the registrar, and later you will see done next hearing done from the registrar. In this way, totally 2 years spoiled by the II within the registrar, because the registrar was working to complete the counter affidavit work process within the respondent and petition. Here the Ramesh Chandra registrar, seriation registrar. So in this way, about 2 and 3 years, there was no any judge listen this point only running from the registrar. From the 2015 in the last, you may say that from the 2016 the judge running listening the problem of the II and within the MHRD. So here Rajiv Sakhdevar, they only say next date, and here I take only important point to show you. And third, after that judge has changed a next hearing, no output has come, and then Justice A.K. Pathak next hearing. After this AICT publish a notice. So in this way also II publish a notice on their website on the 9 April 2017. In that time I take a screenshot of this. Here II website AICT public notice that was published by the also AICT and later and II website also. In this way, after this, then II oppose because the stay order was running on. Then in this way, also ICT published a notice. Then Honorable Justice Indermeet Kaur order respondents should comply the earlier direction of laid down a policy of AICTE in line for this judgment of effects within the 6 months. 6 months, and interim order to be continued, and judge also change interim order also changes. In this way, continuously judge have changed. So in this way, there are long time is going on, and about 1.12 lakh students are affecting from this type of the court case hearing. And in this way, AICTE publish and aware about their details. Here I take details from IA website. You may also search an institute and there any old website details from this website. This website is international website by which you can know the past detail of any website. Here I find out the about the II old website and II old site. This old site run from 2005 to 2013, and later this website has been updated. So in this way I take each and everything details I will show here, but I want to say you recently which court case was on 9th April 2021. In this way, court directed two things. Firstly, Delhi High Court did not consider it appropriate to petition to admit a new admission students. Second thing is that there was much deliberate and discuss on the Royal Charter, and next date is the 5 August 2021. Okay, next I want saying you the II published a notice in a in 2021 about the recognition status. The problem is going on about the this and this II accept my case is pending and running on. In this way, if you see the previous details I have here attached to you, and second public notice was 2018. 2018, the president of II requested to students to keep and with have patience. This is the official link. I will share this link in description box. The II president requested to all students to keep and see the court final decision for a better future. In this way, II publish also many times about the course recognition status on their website, and also AICTE publish their notice. Perhaps you are understanding well. I will here I am taking a long time because here I am giving you analysis from 8 years court status. So here you can see the update of 2016, and this public notice was an II site. The course is running and only next date is getting, but no any final judgment is coming out. And in this way, here you may see the next is interim order to be continued from January to May, and next date you will see here previously. Here is the II site on the 2015 detail, and you may see full detail in the below. Here the II say on their website the hearing II filed the rejoined against the counter affidavit of UGC before date of hearing. Next date hearing changed. In this way, we are saying the details from descending order from 2011 to back in 2013. Here also given the same the next date and no any outcome has been received. In this way, there are many times II publish their notice. After the publishing of AICTE public notice, II closed about awareness about it, because already AICTE was awareing about it to all student. When you open the old website, you may who is our student from 2013 and all, they know this type of website was looking. Okay, when you the any website from web archive, here I am talking about especially an II website, then you will see here 5 June 2013. Here the in the corner side a PDF file usually given the recognition of the section and section B. Okay, in this way there are no any better outcomes, only the stay of the MHRD orders and their final judgment in waiting by each 1.2 lakh student. Okay, here I want to say about the full and final analysis of my point. You may see the article also on the Delhi High Court status here. How you feel this my knowledge, please share your friend also. I am sharing the my views. Here you may see the 9th April hearing, 9th April hearing, which run through the video conferencing, and in this way here said the all topics have been concluded and judge given a long time because here are 2-3 pages judgment has been written by the judge. It means this hearing was a long time hearing, and there are many things has been written by the judge justice Pratik Jalan, honorable Pratik Jalan. Then I want tell about this. The first thing he written the challenging of 6 December 2011, which interim by 31st May 2013. Later, the court has stopped the admission of the All Professional Society, which dated is 11 February 2020. Second point he given. Third point is he was given by the Anand Mishra, who was advocate of II about the Institute of Engineers is a Royal Chartered Institute. They should be separate behave from Institute of Mechanical Engineers because Mechanical Engineers is registered under Society Act, but Institute of Engineers is incorporated under Royal Charter. So here is explained about the Royal Charter, and third, so here is explained about the IME details, but in this way further said about the admission. Here is said Mishra requested, and Mishra the advocate, I requested to petition here a decision of other petition and that runner being heard along with the said batch. In the last point, the judge concluded about the admission. In this circumstance, I did not consider the appropriate permission petition to admit a student at this stage. Interested a potential student will not be served the permitting them to be admit. Means admission will not open at any cost. Understand you each and everything. Here I want to say, in my views, maybe change, but I want to say judge did not oppose any sentence when advocate explained about Royal Charter incorporation, means Royal Charter may be exist. Here written each and everything, and judge did not decline anything about the Royal Charter. It means it may be Royal Charter existence. Second, when Royal Charter II advocate explain about the Royal Charter, but they want open admission, but did not demanding any type of grant recognition who was suffering their future AMI student who is account means 1.25 lakhs more. And in this way, I want share about a 3 point just for information of the final conclusion. For AMI recognition status, there are 3 things has been concluded. One, positive side of II, and second, positive side of MHRD, and third is positive side of AICTE. So in this way, final conclusion is unable to say what will be, but here I am saying you about this. First thing, if you see the positive sign of the II, the distance between IME and II means the IME is the registered under Society Act, and II is incorporated under Royal Charter. It's a positive sign for II. The second thing, Office Memorandum of MHRD 6/12/12 is upheld by the Supreme Court. It is positive sign of the MHRD, means MHRD doing whatever is doing well. It is upheld and praised by the Supreme Court. Here you may see the first sentence has been written. Petition past MHRD stage. Understand? In this way, upheld by the court. Third is, here I want to say third point. The third point is the AICTE. Under the Act of the AICTE, Section 10, it is explained that to advise the All Professional Society of awarding examination, I make a video about this. AICTE is not supporting any professional society. You may see below details I given you separate. In this way, here you may see there are 3 are in good way. II Royal Charter, so it may be may opportunity in future But MHRD's office order is also have a good way because upheld by the Supreme Court. And third is to observation of all professional societies under the Act of AICTE. So the final judgment in the triangle problem, what will be this bill listed, and the next hearing I will say and share you further knowledge. What your experience? Tell me. I hope you have get a better knowledge because here I explain about the 8 years completely analysis of the judge and remarkable views and public notice of the II fully details with the year wise with the effect of the year wise. Please like, subscribe and share in your all social platform group, Telegram, WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever may be possible. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.